Hello everyone, this is a post-GATE information series where I am trying to inform you about the notification of IISc and various IITs for MTech and PhD programs in 2021. So this is the second video where I will be discussing about the IIT Bombay. First, you search IIT Bombay MTech admission 2021. Then you will find this page. Here you will find different information. First is the schedule, where you can see the last date for submission of completed application form is April 10. So please keep in mind it has already been started, and there you can see various dates. Next, just have a look for details about minimum gate cutoff or for any kind of qualifying discipline. These are the gate cutoff, the scores actually for year 2021 and 22. So if you are a civil engineering graduate, then you are eligible for aerospace engineering. In aerospace engineering, the required cutoff for general cutoff, after which actually you are eligible to apply. You can see over here for aerodynamics, C, if you have appeared in GATE exam with a CE paper, and if you have GATE score above 600, then you can apply. Like you can see, you have option for aerodynamics, okay, and you have option for aerospace structure, where you have to have a minimum cutoff as 600. Next is our civil engineering department. In civil engineering department, you can see various streams, that is transportation engineering. For general cutoff is 700, for SC or OBC cutoff is 630, and SC cutoff is 467. So this is 0.9 of the general cutoff, and this is 0.67 of the general cutoff. That is how they have prepared the list. Okay, there you can see transportation, geotechnical engineering, water resources engineering, structural engineering. You can see the varying cutoff after which you can apply to these disciplines. Ocean engineering is there, remote sensing, construction technology, and management. Okay. Next is earth sciences. See, okay, earth science, from civil engineering discipline you can't apply for earth science. For environmental science and engineering, you have option. Environmental science and engineering, you can apply with your CE gate score, and you have to have a score of 500 at least. You can also appear or apply with your ES, that is environmental science and engineering gate score, that must be minimum 600. Just have a look if energy science and engineering you can apply or not. No. Geoinformatics and natural resources engineering, here you can see the civil engineering cutoff is very less, 400. Okay, so you can apply though, but don't expect much, because we just after few minutes I will be showing you the 2020-21 cutoff, what were the cutoff for this particular branches. Okay, then you will be having a clear idea that even if you are eligible to apply, you may not end up with a an admission, right? You have another option, that is industrial engineering and operation research. Okay, here also you can use your CE gate score, that must be minimum 650, and ES, that must be 650. You can apply from agricultural engineering also 650. So please note these papers. Whatever papers you have appeared in GATE 2021, that score you can apply in various streams. You will be having another options, that is educational technology. In educational technology, any discipline can apply, but with a minimum gate score of general gate score as 600. So like that you can find all the streams you can go through once, and you can check whether your paper, that may be civil engineering CE or agricultural engineering AG or ES, environmental science and engineering, whether they are accepting the particular gate score you have. Okay, now another important issue that I want to just knock, that is the 2021 cutoff. Okay, the subject wise 2021 cutoff, this one, that is gate score of the last candidate obtained admission to the MTech program. That is extremely important. You have to have a very clear idea that what was the scenario in the last years. Okay, see, if you are civil engineering graduate, then you will be having option for aerodynamics, but you have to keep in mind that aerodynamics closed in 2020-21 series session with a 785 general gate score. Okay, aerospace structures 743, transportation systems and engineering you can see 785, very high. Geotechnical engineering 774, like that. Construction technology management is 831, structural engineering is 838. So you can well imagine what is the scenario in the top IIT like IIT Bombay. So earth science is not in our domain. We will be having environmental science and engineering 719, that is also very high. Industrial engineering and operation research 852. You can see over here structural engineering closed at 838 and this gate score is showing 852. It is obvious because this particular stream, not only industrial engineering and operation research IEOR, even the geoinformatics department or your environmental science and engineering department, they are having outstanding placement statistics. Okay, outstanding placement they are offering. So for industrial engineering and operation research, you can expect almost 100% placement with a huge salary, like 15 to 16 LPA. So that is why these gate scores are very high, and the closing gate score you can well imagine that what could be. Okay, so this you can use as your reference frame. So this is all for IIT Bombay. Please keep in mind April 10 is your last date for application. I'll be making more videos with other IITs like IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, and so on. And obviously, whenever CCMT will announce their program, I'll be making a separate video which will be describing the CCMT process and the cutoffs. I will be trying to discuss the CCMT cutoffs. Thank you.